program is so important because not only do you make a difference for elephants in captivity, but you will also make a difference for elephants in the wild. We have currently 10 elephants with us, and with our observations and all the knowledge that we will be collecting, we will bring that knowledge and data into wildlife management and elephant welfare, not only here in South Africa, but also make it available for zoos and different facilities around the world. What I love most about this job? Elephants, of course, but one of the most amazing moments is when I have volunteers come here and we present the elephants for them the first time. You know, that moment when they come here and they see the elephants in front of them. And to see that sparkle and that light in their eyes, that magic that I feel every day. The typical day of a volunteer, you will have to wake up early. We will go to the boma, which is the elephant stables, early in the morning, and we will say our good mornings to the elephants. If there is any important messages we need to receive, you know, as the research unit, we will get that and we will go on with our day. We will start the first observations in the field either 8:30 or 9, and then do 90-minute shifts, and we will go on till the end of the day, about 4:35-ish. And those field shifts or observations we will do in the field with the elephants. In between these field shifts we have a lot of things that we do. We have an enrichment program, we have a feed crow program where we produce food for the elephants, and we have an aero shop program where we are a bit creative and we produce items that we sell and to raise money for our enrichment program. You will also come into the lab and help me out with the research that we do there. So there are a lot of things and a lot of different things we do on a daily basis. This location is so special because we are actually the only research unit in South Africa as working together with an elephant park in order to enhance elephant welfare and elephant management. My advice for people who are thinking about coming to this project is bring an open heart, bring an open mind, and be positive. It's going to be a life-changing experience. It was for me.